Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError str object cannot be interpreted as an integer. This error occurs when you try to use a string value as an integer in a Python program. Here's an example. When you run this code, you will get this kind of error. In this example, x is a string containing the value 10, and y is supposed to be the result of adding x and 5. However, since x is a string and 5 is an integer, Python raises a type error because it cannot add a string and an integer. To fix this error, you need to convert the string to an integer before using it in any arithmetic operation. Here's the corrected example. Let's run this code. Here is the results. In this corrected example, x is still a string, but we use the int function to convert it to an integer before adding it to 5. The result will be 15.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.